stakeholder. This is a term that you really want to understand. Now, okay, what is stakeholder, ED? Stakeholder is anyone that could be that's interested in the project's outcome. It's funny because people don't really realize they won't even think of people that should be part of the stakeholder group. Meaning, they'll meet with other people instead of including the actual resources that need to be part of that. Let me clean that up. Let me clean that up. What I mean by that is, family, is that let's say you don't go grab Sally and John because you're like, oh, we won't need them. They're in accounting, but you may not know that Sally is the one that actually orders the equipment that you need because she's running a dual role. And that's why it's important to, I always say, get everybody in the room and then start making a decision if this stakeholder is going to be, has an interest in the actual outcome of the project.